Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animal toys. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is a tiger. T is for tiger. The next one is a sheep. This is a sheep. The next one is a leopard. This is a leopard. L is for leopard. The next one is a giraffe. This is a giraffe. This is a zebra. Z is for zebra. This is a panda. This is a panda. This is a deer. This is a deer. A deer. This is a camel. A camel. This is a donkey.